Over the years, I've coached hundreds of people in presenting. And one of the most common questions or fears that comes up is, what do I do if someone asks me a question I don't know the answer for? Or what happens if I get in a situation where it's very uncomfortable and I don't know what to do? And the truth is, I don't know. See how confidently I said that? And I say I don't know because there is no definitive answer, this is how you should respond. However, what has worked most for me is building the muscle of being comfortable, being uncomfortable. And that has helped me navigate some of the trickiest situations I've been in. And the way I've built this muscle is that I've spoken in front of hundreds of different kind of groups and different kinds of people all over the world. I also have a background as an actor, so I've done tons of auditions and all kinds of weird rooms in front of people I don't know. I've done hundreds of improv shows without having an idea what's going to happen when I go on stage. And all these things have helped me really build this muscle. And you've probably heard me talk about this before. So what about you, who maybe hasn't done hundreds of improvised shows and done these things? Well, I encourage you to really say yes to putting yourself into more uncomfortable situations. That's one. Secondly, what else can you do? I modeled it earlier. If you get a question, you can say, I don't know, with confidence. No one expects you to know everything. Even if you are an expert in a field, there is stuff you will not know, and that's fine. You can look into it later and get back to them. Another thing you can do is open the question up for the group and say, I don't know, does anyone here have any ideas? And chances are the group is going to be smarter than you. And they're going to give you some great ideas and some great thoughts you didn't have. Plus, it shows how inclusive you are, opening up for other people. And one thing you definitely don't want to do is answer the question as if you know the answer, but you don't, and you just made it up. That can really lower your credibility, and there's really no reason to do that. Can make you look bad. So I would avoid, trying to be the expert when you don't know the answer. And I don't know, what am I leaving out? Let me know, because chances are all of you out there are smarter than I am. So put it in the comments.